Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel, The Mass Debater. We are asked to find the center and radius of the circle x squared plus y squared minus 49 equals 0. In this case, you cannot use the approach for when a center and radius is being given and you are asked to find the equation of the circle. No. This, you are going to use a different approach in getting your radius and your center. Join me and let's solve it. Very easy. Okay, so solution. So since your equation of the circle is being given, you are going to compare it with the general form of equation. So the general form of equation is written as, so let me write general form, or let me write a general equation of the circle, which is written as x squared plus y squared plus 2jx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. After writing the general form of equation of the circle, you are going to write the equation which is being given and we are going to compare the coefficients. So let's write the equation which is being given beneath it. So it will be x squared plus y squared plus, in this case, there's no x and coefficient. This means there's no y and its coefficient, but there's c. So in this case, the c is what? Negative what? 49, which is negative 49 equals what? 0. So your jx, your 2jx, what are you going to do so that this equation will look like this? You are going to just write 0x. Since 0 times x, you are going to still get what? 0 plus 0y. Since 0 times y, you are still going to get 0. So I've made it such a way that we can compare the coefficients. So let's take this 2jx, 0x. Let's equate it. So 2jx equals 0x. So x and x will cancel out. It will be left with 2j equals 0. You divide both sides by j. You divide both sides by 2. J will be equal to 0. And let's do this one, 2fy. You are comparing the y with y. So 2fy equals 0y. Y and y will cancel out. It will be left with 2f equals 0. In this case, you divide both sides by 2, you are going to get 0. So your f is what? 0. As your j is also what? 0. And your c is negative 49. Your c is what? Negative 49. So c is what? Negative 49. Okay, so after doing this, what's your next move? Your next move is to find the radius. And what formula are you going to use to find the radius? We are going to use r squared, take note of that, j squared plus f squared minus c. This is the formula you are going to use to get the radius. So your data have been given already. You have been given j, very good, as 0. We have been given f also as 0. And we have been given what? C also. C is also negative 49. That's good. So r squared equals 0 squared plus 0 squared minus our c is negative 49. So negative 49. So let me write it here. So r squared equals 0 plus 0. So 0 squared, you are going to get 0. 0 squared is 0. So 0 plus 0 minus negative 49. Negative, you are going to get positive. So positive 49. So 49. So 49. What do you do to get your R? You get rid of the square. So what are you going to do? You have to square root both sides. Square root. So square root will do away with square. So R equals square root of 49. We are going to get 7. So our radius is 7. Now we have got your radius. It's left with the center. This is what we use to get the center. The center here is given as negative j, negative f. Negative j, negative f. Meaning, whatever that you have for j, you are going to negate it. Whatever that you have for f, you are going to negate it. But in this case, you had 0, 0, we had 0 for g. And it's not possible to negate 0. There's nothing like negation of 0. So it still remains what? 0. And also, your f is 0. There's no negation of 0. So you still get what? 0. So in that case, our center, so therefore, the center is 0, 0. And the radius, and the radius is 7. That's 7 units. So that's it. Very, very easy. If you do like this video, please subscribe to my channel and ask your friends to also subscribe. Thank you very much.